Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this particular side inseam pocket. Now there are inseam pockets, there are side pockets, there are outer pockets. Now this is the side inseam pocket, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it. Now I'm going to be using this for my future videos as well. Some videos I'm going to be making, some pants, joggers or something like that. I'm going to be using this same pattern for it, this same method basically for it. So watch out for those videos. And yes, this is the side seam. Now if you want to watch this shirt, the full video of how to make this particular pleated shirt, I have it on my channel. I'm going to link it up here and down below so that you guys can check it out. It's amazing, guys. Let's get our intro in and do what? Stitch up. So guys, for our side inseam pocket, we're going to be measuring 3 inches from the side seam. So you're working on your front pieces right now. So 3 inches, go in from that side and mark it right there. And then go down by 7.5 inches. So that's 3 inches on the width and 7.5 inches on the length or the depth. The next thing we're going to do is grab a fabric that is 14 inches wide by about 12 inches or 10 inches. I cut out 9 inches here and I was wishing I made it longer. So if you want a small pocket or short pocket, you can use this 9 inches that I used. But if you want a deep pocket, I would advise you to use, above 10 inches. Now the next thing we're going to do is place our fabric right sides facing each other, so right sides facing the main shorts pattern basically. And then we're now going to mark those lines again. So the 3 inches by 7.5 inches, we're going to mark it here so that we can sew it together. So once you're done marking, use your ruler to draw a slant representing it and pin it down, because you're going to be sewing it all the way down. So once you sew it, it's going to look like, something like this. So we're not yet done, but this is what, this is an idea of how your pocket is going to look like. But we've not sewn it yet, so just go and sew it, and that's what it would look like in the end. So I'm going to go ahead to work on the second one and then sew this down right here. So guys, here I have sewn it and this is what it looks like. I would advise you to also top stitch it. So you can top stitch it on the inside or on the outside. So once you top stitch it, it's going to stay inside. It's not even going to come out at all. It's just going to stay put. And then we're now going to take our fabric just like this. So you're folding it wrong sides facing wrong sides. So can you guys see what I'm doing? So wrong sides are facing wrong sides right now. So you're taking it under. So that's how you should do it. Just take it under and then pin it down and sew it down right there. And then after sewing, it's going to look like this. So what you're going to do now is you're going to now turn it inside out. So just put it inside out just like I'm doing in this video, and then top stitch it again. So this is the second short pocket right here. I have already top stitched it and this is what it looks like. Now you would see the inside, it's clean. Like when you bring out your pocket, it's going to be clean finish that is going to be there. What comes next? Now guys, you're now going to turn it to the front and align that 3 inches mark. So the 3 inches you made on the pocket piece, you're going to align it with the edge of your shorts. So the edge of the pocket right here, just like I'm doing right here, you're going to align it and pin it down and sew it at that top so that everything just stays there. Nothing is going to like move on you or, just sew it so that it will just stay. And then don't forget to pin the pocket as well on the side so that you can make it stay as well. So that when you're sewing your side seams, everything will just continue going straight down just like that. So guys, I'm done making it. This is what it looks like. You can see how it looks like from the front, from the back. Like it looks really, really nice. So guys, this is what the side inseam pocket looks like. Perfect guys, perfect. So please don't forget to subscribe guys. Subscribe. Like this video, share within and outside your circle. I'm sure a lot of people would want to know this beginner friendly way of making this particular side pocket, and I'm sure they will learn a lot from it, and you as well. Like this video, share, subscribe guys, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.